Hi everyone, my name is George Nyoro Kamau.
My name is Clement Kintai.
We are the makers behind the automated military sentry, dubbed the Moran in this case. It is a military sentry that is capable of tracking and targeting objects automatically in the field. It features a camera that is able to handle the tracking and recognition of the various objects, in this case colored, mounted on a turret that is able to rotate at different angles. It also features wheels that enable it to move towards objects and move away from objects, in this case whatever it is that we will be tracking. When we're talking about the background of the problem or the problem statement, we looked at conflict areas, especially in this case the border between Kenya and Somalia. Kenya is in the process of building an 800-kilometer wall to prevent the crossing of Al-Shabaab and various Somalia militia into Kenya. And we thought about the problem and saw that we could apply some solutions that have already been applied worldwide to this situation, but enhance them in a bit. Case in point, the North Korea-South Korea DMZ. There are sentries that are not movable, that occupy that area and kind of man the demilitarized zone. Anyone who passes there is shot. So we took the same idea and added wheels on it, and just to give it a bit of punch to enable it to cover the entire distance, the entire 800-kilometer distance. So our idea for this is that in this particular case, the Somalia-Kenya border, the military sentry will be able to move for quite some distance and then man that particular distance. A couple of these could be employed to handle the task. So in this case, this is supposed to be a miniature device.
Yeah. In case it did not qualify into the Expo, so we had talked to various military personnel during a certain IEEE Expo, in which he told us to give him his number, in which we will see him. Also, during my internship, I was attached as the military, on which our various majors and colonels suggested this project that I take it and try to implement it into being.
For our market, we are not looking to go into wide-scale market, although that might be a possibility we might look to into the future, because I mean security is a thing. State House needs protection, various places need protection, installations need protection, so this could be one of the solutions. But more so for now, the military will be the main target, and for that they have a huge budget, and that is not an issue like my friend has said. So that will be our main target for now, whether we make it to Tech Expo or not.
And also the Westgate issue also that occurred a few years ago. You can recall, like, it was very dangerous for soldiers to be brought into such places. But using such a modern size of a robot, you can put it in such a risk situation in which issues of loss of life of soldiers will not be like an issue to the government. But losing a robot will not be as that much of a cost of loss compared to a family man or a man, whatever. Yeah, things like that.